Hi, Tom here from Makerpad, and in this Zapier basics tutorial I'm just going to show you some additional settings that are available to you when you're creating a Zap. So let's say you're building a Zap and you're building it from scratch. So you're seeing something like this screen here. You have a trigger with nothing in, you have a placeholder, and then your Zap is off and you're starting something from complete scratch. Once you've actually setting up your Zap, you can rename your Zap up here, Tom Zap. You have some options available to you on the right hand side here also. If you click outline, this is going to give you a really easy way to see the steps of your Zap. So maybe you've actually built quite a complex multi-step Zap and you have to kind of scroll through. This is going to lay these out for you really simply and really succinctly so you can actually see what's happening in each step and actually navigate you to the step in the main screen. This is useful if you are building things with lots and lots of steps. If you go to the guide, which is the next tab down, this will show you a guide based off of the place you are in the Zap. So if you're creating a trigger, it will show you some information relating to creating a trigger, which has got useful links and useful steps to do, and also provide you with a bit of a tutorial to go through, along with the suggested resources of how to do this thing that you're trying to do. This is really useful, especially if you're just starting out building Zaps. The guide is your best friend. The next one is going to be errors. So once you have your Zap up and running, maybe it's going to throw an error now and again. It's quite common. This is going to be logged in your errors tab. So there's going to be a red dot above this once it hits an error. Open that up and you'll be able to see a list of your errors there as well. Task history. This is going to be the clock here. This is going to take you to another place and open up a new window. This is going to be a list of your tasks matching your query. So if you are coming from Tom's Zap, which is obviously a non-existent Zap, you're going to see a record of every time this Zap is executed and whether it went through successfully or errored, along with the details as in time, date, etc. This is really useful just to see if something went through and if it went wrong, what happened. The settings, this is where you can actually change the settings for your app, for your Zap, sorry. You can change the name, you can add it to a folder, you can add a quick description. This is really helpful if you're working within a team. You can just lay out exactly what it does, you can read it, any particular nuance to it, and then set the time zone for your Zap. This is crucial if you're working with remote teams. So if we're thinking, okay, there's going to be people working in different time zones to us, why do we want this Zap to be running on an English time zone as compared to maybe a East Coast time zone or any time zones around the world? Maybe we can locate the time of this Zap particularly, and then any scheduling we do or delays that we do are going to be related to that time zone. Very useful and something to keep in mind. Other options that we have available to us on this screen is the share button. So once you have turned on your Zap, you're able to share this Zap with members of your team or anybody else. That's also useful. So yeah, these are all the options available to you within the Make a Zap screen. Really useful to debug and see a quick overview of everything along with changing settings and sharing. Hopefully this helps and look forward to seeing what you create with Zapier. See you later. Bye.